the one to achieve it? Me or you? You gotta ask yourself, because there's a small percentage of people that are actually gonna be successful. And I'm saying this because you guys gotta understand how hard you gotta work. Morning everybody, welcome back. Today is another day. It's 9:08, it's still early. Today is Thursday. I'm just kind of on my balcony, getting ready to start the trading day, getting ready to go live with the VIP trading. And we're just kind of trying to get my mind right, because as of the last 2 days, I've been a little bit mentally stressed, just feeling a little bit anxious, but I know it comes with it. I have good days, I have bad days. Just about being aware of it and trying to figure out the reasoning behind it, because there's a reason behind everything. You got to be able to find what it is. Until you find what it is, it's going to keep on happening. But we about to get over there. Let's have a good day, productive day. Before I start anything though, I'm right here at my desk already. But I had like this thought real quick, and I wanted you guys to hear it. You gotta try harder. At the end of the day, everybody wants to be rich. Everybody has the same goals. We all are striving for the same thing, doing the same thing. Especially if you're watching this video, more than likely you're either an entrepreneur, content creator, or a day trader. We all want the same goal. But who's gonna be the one to achieve it? Me or you? You gotta ask yourself, because there's a small percentage of people that are actually gonna be successful. And I'm saying this because you guys gotta understand how hard you gotta work. You gotta outwork majority of other people. You have to outwork everybody. To be that small percentage of the people that are actually gonna be successful, make a lot of money, you gotta outwork all of them. After that though, let's get the VIP trading network all started. We got about 19 people already there. We got about 20 minutes, not 20, about 10 minutes till the market opens. We're gonna see what we can get. Let's see what we can do today. Alright, we ran the low. Let's see if we can get a dig back into it. Nah, there probably is, bro. It ran the low by a few pips. Yeah, by like a point. Let's see it really touch like this 50% of the range, and then I'll trust it. I'm gonna take my longs here. We're gonna see. Whoever wins, wins. I'm going low risk. Alright, so I ended the day at a small loss. I was originally risking about $800 total, $400 on 2 trades, but I ended up cutting them short and I only lost $670 in total. It is what it is. The market did a whole bunch of walk shit. I do got a little bit of risk for the day, and there is no trading tomorrow for Top Step since it's a holiday, but we'll see. This is the area I was watching, but honestly, this was probably my first L week in a while. I have a lot of break-even weeks. I have a lot of small losses, but this was like a actual I lost most of the trades I took. And it's good. It's a good reality check, because you guys know I can catch good trades. I can catch crazy trades, crazy entries, and I can do it consistently. But there are times like this week where my trades just aren't hitting. I'm having a good trade idea. I have an idea where the trade is gonna go directional wise, but the trade hits my stop loss. Maybe then keeps going. Maybe I'm just wrong. It hits my stop loss. But at the end of the day, this is a probability game. You're not going to win every trade. You're not going to lose every trade. You got to understand the chances that you're taking every time you put risk on a trade. You got to understand what is the likelihood you're going to win a trade after you place it. These are things that only come from experience and getting data. And what do you get data with? You got to journal. That's why journaling is very crucial. I use Notion, but as long as you have anything, you got to write all your trades down, exactly what you're doing, why you took the trade, why you got out the trade, the time you got in, the day you got in, the time, all of that stuff is going to matter, because it's going to be able to show you what you need to improve on, and what you need to stop focusing on, what you need to focus on, all those little things. But I'm about to go to the gym and get this day started as always. Actually, scratch that. I actually just I got a one-on-one book, so I'm about to do a 1 hour one-on-one session. I'm not sure exactly what they want me to go over. I think it's going to be going over fair value gaps, liquidity, but I'm about to do that. So honestly, this might be a little bit better. I'm gonna go to the gym after that, but you guys might get some free game now, because I'll show you little clips of the free value that I give. I'm not gonna show you the whole thing obviously, but that's what I'm about to do right now. So back to the charts, it looks like. So you're saying, like, say for example, price isn't going towards, I'm not gonna lie, that was a good little session. I didn't record too much because I was really like locked in, to be honest, because he trades for the most part. Like the one person I did it with, he trades already. He's been trading 6 years. So I didn't really have to go over too many basics. So there's not really much in there that would have been of value to you guys that are like new to trading. But overall, that was a good session. We talked a lot about discipline. We talked a lot about the entries and exits, because I want to give you guys a tip. The same reason I get in trades is the same reason I get out. Keep it simple. All I look for when I'm getting in or out of a trade is a reaction. All I'm looking for is a reaction. I can't control if it's going to hit TP or stop loss. All I can control is where I'm getting in and where and why I'm getting in. I'm getting in because I'm anticipating a reaction, so I'm putting the risk behind it. I can win, I can lose. But all you got to understand is it's a risk game. It's a probability game. There's a probability and percentage of your of winning and losing every single trade. And once you understand that, that's when you're actually going to do the things necessary to succeed. But right now, I'm about to slide to my girl, then head to the gym after and get this work done. The day's not over, it's just getting started. Bro, this shit happened again. I came to the gym to work out, and this shit isn't working. I don't know why it's not working, if I'm really being honest, but this is the second day in a row it's done this. Luckily, it's not raining like it was yesterday, but it's annoying having to keep walking back to the crib. All right. So since we got a home workout today, I'm gonna just give you guys exactly what I'm gonna do. We're gonna do 250 push-ups. That's light work. 250 push-ups, 250 sit-ups, 10 1-minute planks. Probably spelled that shit wrong. Then from here, I'm gonna see how tired I am, and we'll see if we just repeat this or if I'm gonna do it. But I'm gonna just do this throughout my day. I'm not gonna do it all at once. I do 20 push-ups at a time, 20, 20, 20, 20, 20, 20, 20, 20. So once I get to like the 12th time that I did it, we'll be getting to that 240, 250 point. And also with the sit-ups, I'm gonna do 20, 20, and I'll do a plank each time. The planks are probably gonna get done before everything because there's only 10 of them. But like I said, we're just gonna see how we feel afterwards and just do this. But at the end of the day, since I couldn't go to the gym, this is the plan. And it may not be crazy, but hey, my job is to work out every day, regardless how it is. This is how I'm doing it today. All right, I'm about to take you guys inside the VIP Trading Network real quick, but you can guys see we're growing real fast. 68 members, only 4 of them are active right now, but it's late in the day. It's already 1:43. Ain't nobody's trading at this time, but you can see we're active every single day, talking to each other, explaining each other the trades we're taking, and just walking each other through profits, showing each other the losses. This is a community where you learn at the end of the day. We're not winning every day. I didn't even win trades today. You can see people are going to the gym, getting active. This is how you get successful. It's not just trading. It's not just being a good trader. You have to surround yourself with other people that are looking to be successful, that are looking to become bigger and better, and looking to improve every single day. Everything comes once you focus on yourself. I'll tell you guys that. And if you join the VIP Trading Network, where we live trade 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. every single day, and you got a community, 68 traders, how you gonna lose? Before I end this video off, I just want to leave this. Okay, I don't know what's happening, but I want to leave this vlog off by giving you guys some free game when it comes to trading. So if you look at the price action right here, this is complete garbage. Okay, so when it comes to trading, when it comes to trying to catch good trades, trying to be in good market conditions, this is something similar to what I was saying in the one-on-one session I did earlier. You got to understand the importance of volume. The reason that price is moving this way is because there's no volume. There's a lack of volume. Prices is moving up and down, consolidating, stopping everybody out, hitting stop losses, hitting break evens. It's just chopping everybody up because there's no volume. Why is there no volume? Tomorrow there's a holiday, so it's very likely that most people, most banks, most corporations aren't putting a lot of money behind the markets this week because the probabilities aren't high. They want to put their money in situations that are going to make them more money, in good environments, in situations that are actually going to give them a good return. They don't want to put their billions, trillions of dollars in a shitty market condition. They don't want to do that. And at the end of the day, when I trade my false breaks, my fair value gap fills, is all based off of liquidity. And what is liquidity? Liquidity is orders. And if I can match my liquidity with a good time, because time brings volume, the chances of me catching good trades are going to be likely. And in this case, today we didn't really get nothing too crazy. And even looking at it after the fact, it looks like it did go bullish like I was expecting, but it was very choppy. It wasn't worth being able to catch a trade like that. It wasn't worth being able to hold it from this morning. And that's something you guys got to understand. You don't want to be in the market all the time. You have to pay attention to the very specific times that you're going to be able to want to trade, that you're going to have high probability, that you're going to have the highest chance of actually having a good trade, a trade that you can hold all day. And if you want to know what those times are, the free course, 1,757 members are active in this course, and it's changing people's lives. I'll give you multiple examples of people just saying how beneficial the course has been, and it's a free course. This is my entire course that was paid, and it's completely free now. Examples on examples. Look, free course, not even paid for. Already made $1,000 first trade, but only with other strats I was losing so much. In the free course, he made $1,000. Free course. Free. He lost money, but we're not gonna talk about him. It doesn't matter if you're a beginner, it doesn't matter if you're intermediate, advanced trader. This is going to teach you everything. The basics are going to introduce you to the market, give you a good introduction to what candlesticks are, introduce what false breaks are, liquidity, price action, importance of timing. This is something that is very important. Timing in the market, that's something you guys should watch. In the advanced setting, for the people that are just looking to really level up their trading, not really looking to learn the basics, we got a whole bunch of information here, and it's only going to keep getting added to. At the end of the day, you just got to actually take advantage of it. The information is there. Are you going to actually use it? I made this course so that I can have it done, so I can teach people how to trade without me actually having to be there one-on-one with you. I gave my all into it. Everything I know, everything I use is in the course. If you want to know how I trade, why I do what I do, it's in the course. Trust me, I can't sit here for 5 hours and explain to you on a YouTube video. But in the course, I can. So make sure you check that out. And once you got the course all down packed and you're ready to start getting experience and trading with the team live, join VIP. You already know. We get active every single morning, trading live. You guys see it. I don't win all the time, but this morning, most of the team actually won. I'm the only one that actually lost, to be honest. Crazily enough, they all were taking trades with Keno. They were all looking for the shorts. I was looking for the longs. I don't trade like a lot of other people, and that's perfectly fine. I took my L. It is what it is. We on to the next. But with that being said, I appreciate you guys for watching this video. Tomorrow we have Good Friday. We're not going to be trading. We're just going to come to the market. Same thing with the VIP Trading Network. We're actually just going to talk, give value, give game. We'll probably just do a little educational session. And then I'm also doing one on Saturday. So make sure you stay tuned if you're in VIP. We're going to the moon. We're going to get rich. And we're not going to stop. There's no stopping. Can't stop, won't stop. And make sure you stay disciplined, stay productive, stay busy, and keep going. Your dreams are right around the corner. I'll see you guys in the next video.